How do you select the right privacy screen for your laptops, MacBooks, or monitors? This video will go over several questions and answers you may have to help you select the right StarTech.com product that best suits your needs. How do I measure my display to ensure I purchase the right StarTech.com privacy screen? First, use our measuring guide for monitors, laptops, or MacBooks to measure your display according to your bezel design. Look up the width and height in the product table to guide you to the privacy screen model that best fits your display. Which monitor screen sizes are supported? Our monitor privacy screens support displays from 17-inch to 34-inch and include aspect ratios of 5:4, 16:9, 16:10, and 21:9 ultra-wide. We carry privacy screens for 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pros and MacBook Airs, and we also have 14-inch or 16-inch models for 2021 or 2023 MacBook Pros. For laptops, we carry 13.3-inch, 14-inch, 15.6-inch, 16-inch, and 17.3-inch privacy screens. We also carry a 13.5-inch model for Surface laptops or Surface Books. What benefit do privacy screens provide? Privacy screens protect your sensitive data by providing a viewable area of 60 degrees. The matte side also helps eliminate reflections by reducing glare and has a special coating to help protect against dust, scratches, and fingerprints. Reversing the screen provides a glossy side, which offers higher clarity. Our StarTech.com privacy screens will also help reduce eye strain by reducing the blue light emitting from your displays by up to 51%, improving comfort during prolonged use. How does a privacy screen work? When viewing your display from an angle beyond plus or minus 30 degrees, your screen begins the blackout effect. This feature is done by using micro-louver technology, which use tiny vertical walls or blinds that block light from the screen when viewed at an angle. What's the difference between black and gold privacy screens? Although both black and gold offer a 60-degree viewing angle, gold privacy filters have a faster blackout effect. Gold is also more reflective than black when viewed on an angle to offer better screen protection. Our gold privacy screens are also reversible to offer a black side as well. What methods of privacy screen installation are available? Many models include adhesive tabs for displays with large bezels. The cutout on the top corner of the privacy screen makes it easy to remove for sharing content with trusted audiences or switching between the matte or glossy finishes. These models also include transparent and residue-free adhesive strips designed for displays with thin to no bezels. Some models, like our 15-inch MacBook Pro or MacBook Air privacy screens, install magnetically for ease of use. Do privacy screens support touchscreens? They do to some limitation. Excessive movement of the privacy screen can also degrade the adhesive strips or tabs. Touchscreens with larger target buttons would function better than displays requiring precision pressing. We do, however, carry specific models like our 135S privacy screen, which support touchscreen for your Surface laptop or Surface Book. Do privacy screens affect the overall brightness of my display? Due to the nature of the internal design of privacy screens, all privacy screens will decrease screen brightness to some degree, but not significant enough to impact your day-to-day usage. Can I order more adhesive strips? Yes, our Mon Privacy Screen K is a universal kit which includes 12 adhesive strips, 8 slide mounting tabs, and a wiping cloth. Do our privacy screens support curved monitors? Although our privacy filters are flexible, not all curved monitors are supported. The curve could also impact the blackout effect when viewing it directly or from an angle. This would be dependent on the monitor model. Can you cut privacy screens down to size? All of our privacy screens are designed for standard size and standard aspect ratios. There should be no need to cut the screen, as we have a size for almost every display. Do our privacy screens affect my laptop camera? Our privacy screens cover the actual viewable screen of your display. Most systems, however, have their camera located on the upper bezel, and hence would be left unaffected from the privacy screen. What type of packaging do our privacy screens arrive in? Our privacy screens arrive in a slim envelope and are robust due to the additional cardboard insert. Both sides of the screen have a protective film to keep them safe. Can I close my laptop lid shut while keeping the screen applied? Most privacy filters that are applied to your laptop screen using adhesive strips will not affect the closure or sleep functionality of your laptop. However, some laptop models will not fully shut if using adhesive slide tabs or magnetic strips, which can also affect your laptop going to sleep when the lid is shut. Does my privacy screen work if I have my monitor set up in vertical orientation? No, The micro louver design provides a plus-minus 30-degree viewing range in landscape orientation. If the screen were installed vertically or in portrait mode, the blackout effect will not work. StarTech.com has been trusted by IT professionals since 1985. Our privacy screens and accessories have a 2-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. Discover hard-to-find made easy with StarTech.com. Buy your privacy screen products and accessories through StarTech.com, Amazon, or your business technology provider today.